Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to enable, your voice chat on Roblox 2024. How do you actually get voice chat on Roblox? Now, if you ever wanted to, chat with your friends live, guys, and I'm going to be breaking down today how to actually get voice chat on Roblox step by step. Then later, what you're going to see is, a mic icon at the top of your character, which means you can actually speak, right? So I'm going to cover everything for you guys. I'm going to cover things from eligibility to setup and even, help you troubleshoot some common issues that you guys might have. So guys, I want you to stick around to the end and let's actually get started, guys, okay? So first things first, guys, what you want to do is I want to explain to you something, okay? Let me close this app. I want to explain to you that, look, not everyone is eligible for this, okay? You need to be at least, you have two requirements, okay? First is you need to be at least 13 years old, right? Let me close the app, guys. Let me close this game, actually. I'm going to be closing this game. So, yeah, first things first, you need to be at least 13 years old, and this is because Roblox actually uses your date of birth, guys, to make an account, right? So make sure that it's actually accurate first, right? And then also what we will need, guys, is a verified ID. More on that I'll give you in a moment. So to actually see if you're eligible, what you want to do is you want to open up Roblox, and you see this gear icon, guys, or you can, if you're on your mobile, click on more, right? But if you are on your PC, you'll see at the top right a gear icon, click on that. But since I'm on mobile, I'll click on more. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on settings, okay? Then you will see the privacy options. Now here, guys, you will see listed, things like your mobile number, your email, right? Usually what you'll see, guys, you'll see beta features, you'll see a voice chat option. If you're eligible, you can actually proceed. So what you want to be doing, guys, you want to first verify your age. So what you want to go to settings, and then in the settings menu, when you want to go click on is account info. Here you'll see your mobile number, your email address, all right, things like that, and your password. So what you want to do, guys, you want to come and click here, verify my age, and then this is going to do, guys, right? It will open up a scanner app. Okay, it's going to open up a QR code where you scan this if you're on your PC. So it will open up your camera app on your phone, and you are going to have to take a picture of your government issued ID, both sides, okay, front and back. You have to take photos of that, and then you also have to take a selfie, guys. You also need to take a selfie to match your photo with the ID. You want to make sure the whole of the ID is actually visible and there's nothing being cut off, guys. Nothing needs to be cut off. Also, you want the ID, the background to actually be a dark surface, right? Usually this only takes a few minutes to complete, and once you're verified, you'll see a confirmation in your account settings. And now to actually enable voice chat, guys, once your age is actually verified, so you want to just head over to the privacy settings, all right, privacy tab, and then you're going to see the option that says enable voice chat after you actually verify your age. So you just want to toggle that option on, and when you're prompted, you want to confirm that you're actually activating voice chat features, and basically, guys, your voice chat has been officially enabled, right? All right, guys, if I have helped you so far, you can subscribe to Appier Solutions, but let's keep going on. So what you want to do, if you want to actually use voice chat, you want to go join a game with actually has voice, right? So we can join a game which actually has voice. I was just playing Blox Fruits. Let me just join Blox Fruits. So we want to join the game that supports voice chat because not all games have this feature. So you want to actually go and check the description first. So you can come here and check the description if this app has voice chat. It has not mentioned anything like that. So we're going to go back. We're going to find another game, Battle Heroes Underground. I'm going to check the description again. Does this one have voice chat? Okay, this one also seems not to have a voice chat. So you keep looking for games that actually have a voice chat enable. But basically, guys, what you want to do is once you're in the game, you want to look for a microphone icon in your avatar. This basically indicates that, the voice chat is active, and you can actually test your mic by speaking into it. And if others can hear you, you're good to go, guys. You will see that. And if you actually see the mic icon is muted, you can just click on to unmute. And if you're having any troubles, guys, I promise I'll give you some troubleshooting tips. You want to actually just update Roblox or check microphone, permissions. So on your device, you want to go to settings and ensure that Roblox actually has access to your microphone. If all of these things fail, guys, make sure you just reinstall the app. Okay, uninstall the app and just reinstall it, right? And that's it, guys. You are now set to use voice chat on Roblox in 2024, guys. So if this video helps you guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.